on the journey.
Oh yeah, journey to Chirac.
Only 4.5 hours to go.
Record winds.
50 plus mile an hour winds. Friday the 13th. Oh, new cars. Corvettes maybe.
Is that what that is? Utah.
59 miles out. Hitting the heart of Chicago in the next 40 minutes.
Eastbound and down.
Load it up and truck it.
Here's how America was built. Right there.
Chugga-chooches.
No more cabooses. Giant Legos.
Oh!
Fucking railroad tracks. Giant Legos.
Oh, there's a house right there. Doesn't look well done. There's your Dodge wagon. It's for sale.
Yep. Gotta drag that home. Is it still going?
Tarzan, office lady winked at me. She yelled at you.
I know. I just couldn't piss them off.
It's the women.
Yeah.
You just caught her on the wrong day. You went on a Tuesday, you should have went on a Friday.
Yeah,
should have brought some beer for her.
Frisky Friday.
Oh, I see. You're right. You can't.
Yeah, you must have to have that.
It's not an I. Yeah, you gotta have an iPass. So you should be able to touch this card right on that credit card screen.
Where? Right here?
That black thing on top.
Right here?
Yep, just touch it. Yeah. We're out of DEF fluid, Tars.
We need some DEF. No surgery.
We get 493 miles until we're speed limited to 65. Joke's on them, we can't go over 63. She's a little sway, she's windy, she's blowing hard.
Nor'easter.
I would say it'd be a good day to fly a kite if you planned on it going 6 counties over.
You definitely broadcast some seed.
6 miles to the fuel tank's empty. That's like a 1-to-1 ratio when you're all in a shipping crate. It's 1 gallon DEF to every 1 gallon diesel.
We got flipped off today.
I think more than once.
Yeah. Didn't know where the hell I was going.
I think that's just how they say hi in that city.
He was pissed off.
No, I think he was just upset that the Bears are moving out of Chicago.
Yeah.
They're going to Indiana.
Indiana Pacers.
Indiana Bears.
Yeah. Got to go to the speed limit.
But we made it to Wisconsin. We are in the greatest state this side of the Mississippi.
For taxes. Got to pay those taxes.
All right, we're going to go spend a small fortune in fuel.
Plug the filter.
Air filter is going to be just... We're going to have empty DEF, empty fuel, air filters plugged.
We probably should have a mask on. Yeah.
This will be the time. Look at that. Look at that dust storm.
COVID mask. There's all the good tops.
Yep, gone. 1930s all over again. 1929.
So much for cover crop.
Yeah, cover crop's doing great.
Wow.
Maybe it's just a gravel road.
What gravel road I like to go on.
Now we're trying to bid.
Yes.
There's a tratter in here somewhere. Maybe that one.
So much for irrigation.
Wow, they can't turn it on. The pipes are just froze.
Are they? It's 46 degrees out.
What? You can't even see to the other end. Tarzan, we made it back.
Hey there.
12 hours.
Get in the shitter.
12 hours today. Turns out I'm not made for trucking. Thank gosh it's the last one. But it matches the other one. We got that going for us, which is pretty nice. It's always the last one. Plowing snow. CD shaft that popped out. We got some binding. A lot of snow to drip on me, guy. A little bit of coolant there. I know where that's coming from, but oh fuck, God. Huh. I gotta get a wheel off. CV shaft out. Parts store closes. A couple hours. We gotta get her out and then. Okay. New one's in. Just bolting her back up. Thread lock. Always thread lock those 6 bolts that go to the diff, because you'll have problems. Now I did something else. I did put a leveling kit in this thing, and what I did is I put a lift kit so I could lower that diff down 2 inches. Oh, cops. A lot of crime out there. So I lowered that diff. So what I did is I actually realigned that to help maybe fight, maybe there's some binding action. And then we're going to grease it because, we just want to make sure that we're ahead of the maintenance schedules. So we're going to grease it and hope it fixes it. Then we got to go get the plow hooked up. Round 2 for snow kicks off tonight. It's like 6 o'clock right now. So I'm going to get this buttoned up. 20 minutes should have her done. And plow hooked up, ready to go plowing. Okay. Lots of snow. And it's just windy. Keys in here, good. 4-wheel drive in my plow truck broke again. This time I'm pretty sure it's catastrophic. And we're just down the road. In the ditch because when it broke, of course I gave her the gusto through a drift, and I don't think that was right. So it's time for the 6430. I was able to grab that out of the ditch. I haven't used that since I've owned the tractor. Who uses a bucket loader when you ain't got nothing else? I got a skid steer. Bucket loaders are so hard. You can't do nothing with it. I'm gonna fire this up. Look at how windy it is. Glow plug it. The old cold start here. Two-wheel drive sucks. Gotta select the right gear. So we're just gonna drag it. Blizzard out here. My truck is up here about a half mile. I just walked the whole thing back to the shop. There's a big drift. Broke the 4-wheel drive again. It needs a straight axle conversion. Better plow past the people. bus. You get hung up, can't get out. Oh yeah, here's a nice little drift. I'm hoping I don't have to use a rope. And I can just use the hitch. Dang good recovery rig. Got our snatch strap hooked up, pulled out a couple people, plowed. Still broke down, front axe is gone. Can't wait to fix that. Well, I'm done playing in the snow for the year. 6430 is drying off. We'll give it a bath, dry it off some more. I had enough fun. Took us a lot longer than I thought to get that done. But we plowed out some driveways, made some money along the way, some friends, had some laughs, tears. But after this is cleaned off, put back away, we got to pull in the plow truck, get that done. Anyways, thanks for watching. You guys have a great March.